Dream of lost treasure? That's why we created Lost Loot, the do-it-yourself pirate treasure hunt game.
Lost Loot is a treasure hunt game where players must use their wits to follow all of Captain Goldbeard's clues to find his lost treasure. But it won't be that easy. Captain Goldbeard is a clever pirate. His treasure chest has a one-of-a-kind lock that requires all the skeleton keys to open it. Pirate parents, here's what you need to know. Pirate parents will choose between 5 and 10 clue cards and put them in order from start to finish. Place each card into a sleeve and hide them in order so the first clue leads to the second clue leads to the third, and so on.
Yez get the idea.
Hidden with each clue card should be some treasure or one of the 5 skeleton keys.
Ye kids be needing all 5 skeleton keys to unlock me treasure chest.
The last clue should lead to the Lost Loot treasure chest and the treasure inside.
Pirate parents can fill me treasure chest with the included gems, and you can add your own treasures, like candy, trinkets, or real coins.
When the kids solve all the clues, gather all 5 keys and find the treasure chest. They win.
Check us out on Kickstarter.